Welcome back, loves. Let's dive right into this DIY hair growth oil tutorial. Before we start, you're going to need amla powder, hibiscus powder, fenugreek powder, and henna. You'll also need a mason jar and a tablespoon. Oops, I forgot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now back to regular programming. You're going to add a tablespoon of amla powder, hibiscus powder, fenugreek powder, and henna. Together, these ingredients will make a potent concoction that will have your hair flowing forever. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but it's going to help promote hair growth. It's going to help reduce shedding. It's going to help protect your follicles and strengthen your follicles. It's going to reduce shedding and prevent your hair from being stripped during wash day. It's also going to help with breakage and any scalp ailments you might have. Next, you're going to add your carrier oils to the mason jar so your powders can infuse and release all their healing growth properties. For this part, you can use any kind of carrier oil you like. I prefer castor oil and olive oil, so that's what you'll see me using here, but you're free to use anything like grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, whatever makes your heart happy. What you see me doing here is adding more extra virgin olive oil. The goal is to make sure that you have enough oil in your mason jar to mix the powders evenly, and also just give yourself enough product to use over the next few wash days, or even just as a normal everyday hair growth oil. After you've shaken it up, you're going to let the product infuse for 2 weeks so that the nutrients release and you have a very potent hair oil. I like to think that my application process is pretty simple. What I do is I mist my hair with water and I begin to finger detangle. Once I've started finger detangling, then I'll add the oil to my hair and continue to detangle. I'll use a smoothing motion and a raking motion, and I'll pull strands apart from each other. If you put enough oil on your hair, this process can be very easy. It could potentially reduce your detangling time from what could be like hours to a good 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna let you watch how I detangle my hair. I think I did one section, so yeah, that's what you'll see in the next few screens. So I think I'm a little non-traditional with the way that I detangle my hair because I focus on smoothing, raking, and pulling motions, only because I feel like that helps me rid my hair of shed hairs more easily. Another thing that's a little bit interesting is that I use a lot of oil. I coat my hair with a lot of hair oil simply because it makes the entire process that much easier. But I do want to point out, before I even get to this stage, my hair has already been misted, lightly misted, and I have already done a mild detangling process in which I pull strands that seem to be tangled apart. So yeah, once I've done that, I basically prepare it for a hot oil treatment. I'm basically going to just put it back into sections, put a plastic shower cap over my head, and either I'll sleep in this or I'll sit under a dryer for a good hour. So yeah, that's how I ensure that the oils have been infused in my strands so that when I go to wash my hair with shampoo, it's not stripped or there isn't any breakage, or it's just feeling good and nice. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Deuces.